¿Qué onda? What's up, Peloton? I don't frequent the kitchen a lot, but I know that I have to get my post-long run meal. In those final miles, I'm thinking about what I'm gonna be able to put into my body. So I'm gonna share with you my cold brew smoothie. Before we get into the recipe, here's why our Peloton nutritionist, Dr. Jaime Schehr, loves this cold brew smoothie. This recipe provides some natural carbs, some clean caffeine, and all of this, especially post-long run, helps me feel energized and to keep going throughout the rest of my day. The dates and the banana are easy carbs to digest, which helps a lot with the recovery. And I also make sure to add some spinach, some almond butter, and some chia seeds, which add a healthy dose of fiber. So I like to start with the liquid base, and you can choose your own. I really like oat milk. So we start with half a cup of whatever milk you prefer. Then I continue with another half a cup of cold brew, because I like that caffeine kick. A scoop of your favorite protein powder. And I also like to give it just like a little texture. I like to do 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. And then you choose your preference. I love almond butter, so it's a tablespoon, but I like to add a little bit more just for texture and flavor. Add that in. Lick the spoon. Spinach doesn't have huge flavor, but it adds a ton of nutrients. So a cup of spinach right in here. And a little fruit in there too. I like to add just half of a banana. I like a frozen banana because it's gonna add creamy texture to it. For sweetness, you can use agave, you can use maple syrup, but I think that the date gives it just a little sweet kick with a little bit of texture too. And then finally, I want to be refreshed after sweating, after a long run. I add a half cup of ice. And now we give the smoothie that little shimmy it deserves. Shimmy, shimmy with the blender. Not super complicated, not time consuming, because post-long run, you need your nutrients, you need that fuel. I got my protein, I got my carbs, I got my fiber, I got my recovery right here in this cup. The sweetness from the date, I feel the texture with the fiber, the green, I got my nutrients in there. Post-long run, as I start to recover my appetite, this is gonna hit the spot. Quick, easy, nutritious. Let me know what you think of this. Make it your own, have fun with it, try it out, and I'll see you after class.